Okay, in this lesson, we want to talk about game frame. If you activate it, you can see the frame of your smartphone here. When you play the game, if this is our scene, you can maximize or minimize it. It's not important. Just in your mobile, you see this. And the important thing is here. As you can see, we have a box around the character that you can change it. This is area of the character can move on it. For example, as you can see in this scene, if I drop down, going and drop down here, as you can see, all of my game will be destroyed, and I faced a lot of issues here. So I have to make something here to die. If I fall down, I die. We have two methods. First and easiest way is you go into the start and change the frame of the game, frame of the character. Okay. So as you can see, you can click the handle and change the character movement. Make it in this direction. That is nice. But if you click on those edges, one click, as you can see, they are gray. It means the character can go through them and go back. Okay. For example, all of those are gray, as you can see. For example, here, as you can see, I can go this way and I can go back. Okay. But what if you go into the start and set this edge click and it's turned to yellow? It means collide. It means it's blocked and the character can go back in the scene. You can test it here again. You can go this way, but you cannot go back. Okay, you can set your character movement with this. But if you one click again, turn to red. It means if you back and character hit that line, it will be die, and you cannot fall back and will die. Okay, it means that. Okay, I use this for this button. Click and turn it to the red and make it bigger. It means if in this scene you fall down, hit that line and you will be die. As you can see, and our game is incorrect. Another way is that you can bring any object here, scale it, or make it opacity 0 and change it to the enemy. It means if you character hit that enemy, it will be die. That's not necessary. We have a game frame here and you can set it as you want. Here you can activate or deactivate it. If you want your game don't want to fall back and the character back, you turn it to the yellow. But I want to character back to the previous scene or next scene. Just set the red button here. If you cannot click on it, bring it here, click on the red and then back. And you can change the area of the movement of the character. So it's good that it's maximizing the scene that character can jump and move around easily. Okay, that's it.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.